Reeva Rebecca Steenkamp was a South African model and paralegal. She modeled for FHM magazine and was the first face of Avon cosmetics in South Africa. Steenkamp once worked as the live roaming presenter for FashionTV in South Africa and starred in television advertisements for Toyota Land Cruiser, Clover the One, Reds, and Aldor Pin Pop. She was a celebrity contestant on the BBC lifestyle show Baking Made Easy in 2012 and on Tropika Island of Treasure Season 5, which aired on SABC 3 in February 2013. On Valentine's Day 2013, Steenkamp was shot dead by her boyfriend, Oscar Pistorius. He stated that he thought Steenkamp was an intruder hiding in the bathroom at his home. Pistorius was found guilty of culpable homicide at a first trial. On 3 December 2015, the Supreme Court of Appeal of South Africa overturned this conviction and instead convicted Pistorius of murder. Steenkamp was born in Cape Town to parents Barry Steenkamp, a horse trainer, and his second wife, June, who was born in Blackburn, England. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.